Good morning. Here, I'll sit down here where we all are. I don't think I'm better than anyone. But I do know that I'm a special person because God made me the way that I am. Just like you are special. Media tells us that we're not special. That only special people get attention. So when they don't report the truth of some things, it affects us all. And that is what's going on today. There are dangerous waves in the air. It's called climate change. It's 5G. There are also healing frequencies that they use to mask it so that high doses can be created some places and not others. This is really sick. This is our government's way to control the planet. Now, I've got to tell you something. As we have ambient 5G everywhere from satellites, we also have ground 5G, which is cameras, routers, Bluetooth, and a concentration of it in cities. So, why didn't people get COVID in cities or in places like India, where there's 3 times the population on 33% of the land? Now, that's a population density that should have more COVID cases than the United States, but they only have half. And of course, Switzerland, don't forget. Tax-free money. They hardly had any COVID cases over the last 6 years. Fishy, isn't it? There's some major damage to the environment going on in the Keys today. And if you go between mile markers 7 and 8, you can see it right in the median. Almost every single shrub is suffering today or dead. People ignoring this fact is creating a gigantic problem and thinking that it's climate change. Well, it's Elon Musk's little Starlink company that has a lot of 5G that we can't go inspect. Now, let me tell you what a high dose does. A high dose causes thermal heating, it causes eye damage, and it breaks DNA. And you pass that down like lead poisoning to your children. Now, the push for 5G was because it penetrates the skin. Because we don't have free service everywhere, and we should, because that's what was promised. It's not lightning fast, because my computer and everybody else's proves it. This wireless world creates identity theft, it creates sickness, it creates all the bad things in the world. Why on earth would the FCC allow it to be transmitted? If things don't change, it's going to happen in the blink of an eye. And I don't think a 2-mile deep bunker in Virginia is going to save 9 billion people. It's just not designed to do that. The damage being done to the environment today is horrific. And if we don't change what we're doing, our government's going to create catastrophe. We don't expect our leadership to be a sinker ship. It's time to wake up. The sooner we do, the better. The longer we wait, the more damage it's going to get done. And who's going to pay to fix it? We are.
He says he can buy a house up in the mountains.
Neurological difficulties. Doesn't sound like a good future for anybody. Wake up, please.